Okay guys, I forgot to make a video of this when I first got it. Here's a 1965 truck camper. Lots of water damage. It's got a bathroom. I've been ripping all this out. I picked this up for $100. So, propane fridge works. I even have the original owner's manual. The stove over here works. So, now this side is solid. No water damage. You can see no stains or nothing. So, looks like this guy was leaking, and wherever it was parked, it was on an angle and all the water ran into here. So, yeah, so we're rebuilding this one now. Still gonna do the motorhome. Took a little while to get the title for it, so I didn't start nothing on it until I got the title. So it's still an hour-and-a-half drive to pick it up. So I'll have to get it towed because I gotta put a transmission into it. But I tuned it up and everything, so yeah, so this is what we're working on. Got some little friends there. I think they froze into time. So yeah, this is what we're doing. And this is November 18th. So let's see what we can get done today. Thanks for watching, guys.